Hi everybody, this is Miss Emily from the Brentwood Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami butterfly. So I already have some origami paper, but I know that's not something that everybody has, so I got some regular paper and I just have to show you how to make it into a square so that we can do it. So you have to have a square in order to make origami. So you're going to fold it until it's even. Like that. And then you're just gonna cut off this strip. Or if you don't have scissors, you can try folding it and then ripping it along the edge. And then you will have a square. So I already have square paper, so I'm gonna use that to make a butterfly. All right, so I got some new colorful paper with some heart designs on it. So if you just have plain white printer paper, you can color one whole side of it or both sides so it's all colorful and you can get a nice pretty butterfly. If not, you could just make a white butterfly, whatever you want to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip over so that we have the plain side facing up. And then we're going to turn it so it's like a diamond, and we're going to do corner to corner so it makes a triangle. That is the first step. So we have a triangle, and then we're gonna open it back up and turn it 90, or turn it all the way around. And then we're gonna do another triangle and open it back up again. So now you've got like an X in the middle of your square. And now we're gonna turn it over so the colorful side is facing up again. And we're gonna make into a rectangle this time. So we're gonna do like this and make sure you crease it and then open it back up and turn it and do it a rectangle this way. Okay, and then we're gonna open it back up. So as you can see, you've got 4 lines, 4 like that, intersecting. So now we're gonna turn it over and we're gonna just kind of pop up that middle piece so it's kind of like this. It's facing up. And now this part's a little bit tricky. We wanna make it into a small triangle. So we want the ones that we just made from the rectangle, we want those to go inward, and we wanna pinch so that the triangle ones, the ones that go to the corners, pop out. So you just kind of go like that. It's a little bit tricky, so let me show you what it looks like from the inside. And do it again. So once you have it popped up, you're just gonna kind of put your pointer fingers in the creases and hold on to these with your thumbs and ring fingers. And there you go, you've got a triangle. So now you're gonna want the top of the triangle to face you, and you're gonna take this top flap, leave this flap down. You're gonna take this top flap and you're gonna fold it down next to the tip, not on it. And crease it and do the same thing on this side. Leave this part down, take this piece and fold it down next to it and crease. Okay, so you've got your 3 tips down here. So you want that original top of the triangle, the one in the middle. You're gonna take that and we're gonna actually fold it behind, like that, okay? So you're gonna fold that behind and take the tip and fold it front way. So it already kind of looks like a butterfly, but you gotta have to crease it. So fold it like that and make sure you're creasing the bottom and upwards a little bit. And then you lay it out and you've got a little butterfly. So it looks really nice. You can put them around. I've actually made quite a few of them as I was practicing. They're really colorful and pretty, and you guys can make a bunch of them at home and share them with us on our social media. So make sure you tag us if you do, because I want to see all these beautiful butterflies all around Brentwood, okay? Thank you. See you next time. Bye.